Hello there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how I upcycled this into being this, which I'll put a picture here for you. I don't know how else to explain it. I nicked this from my uncle because he's selling his house and said that I could have it, and I don't quite know 100% what its use is going to be, but I think I'm going to stick my equipment for my cooking in here, possibly the mixing bowls and stuff in here. I'm not 100% sure, but the first stage to all of this is to do the base colour. So I'm going to paint the entire thing white. I'm actually not 100% sure if I'm painting the drawers and the door white, but I will be able to show you at the end of this, so I will see you after that. So, update. Done the back, side, this bit, I don't really know what to call that, the letching, magic stop coughing in the background. This side, the bottom skirting, and this bit, although I think that this bit will need an extra coat. I haven't done the door yet because the colour for it is inside and I currently can't get in it. And then I've done the drawers as well. That is looking great. That colour is the exact same as that, obviously. Don't know why I bothered to say that to you. I think that needs an extra layer, but these have had about 2 or 3 coats and it's looking excellent. If you're doing anything like this, I would highly recommend this brand because they're excellent. They're actually exterior paint specialist, so it will last a lot longer as well, which is excellent. So that is where I'm at, and I will keep going and give you another progress update when I've actually done something to it. Okay, progress update. It is ever so nearly done. Look at it. Look at it! Look how beautiful it is! So, Des, are you joking? Where are you? These little things will not stop climbing on this pigging cupboard. Come on, off you get. There we go. Okay. Look at... Shoot, falling over. Look at it! Look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty! Right, so the next thing we're going to do is get it in the house. And then after that, I've got some wallpaper to put at the bottom of the drawers. So let's get it in, put the wallpaper in, and I will show you after that. And there we go, it's all done. Look where I've put them. I've put my plant on it. It looks great. So here's what I meant about the drawers. So we found some unicorn wallpaper in Homebase where I got the paint for this stuff, and it looks brilliant just at the bottom of the drawers. So it's just really pretty, lovely unicorn sayings and designs, and I absolutely love it. I am so happy with this. I cannot even tell you. So that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't. Let me know of anything else you'd like to see me do on this channel, and finally, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!